It was during her career. It is quite natural, but us humans love to categorize and label people as a means to better understand and perceive others. However, one problem with that is that it often clouds our perception and judgment of people. Shelby was a very loving, kind, and generous person, and friends and family describe her as funny, loving, and caring. Despite coming from a childhood that would destroy most of us, Shelby emerged to be ambitious, determined, and resilient. Quite clearly, she was a strong woman who wouldn't let anything get in the way of what she wanted.